How to transfer photos and videos from Android phone to iPhone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive on your device. On your Android phone, click on plus sign at the bottom right corner of your screen in the Google Drive. Then, press on Folder. Add name to your folder and press on Create, which will create a new folder on your Google Drive. Then click on the folder you just created. And at the bottom, click on plus sign again. And then click on Upload. After that, select the photos and videos you want to transfer and press on Select at the top right corner of your screen. Then press on Upload at the top right corner of your screen. After your photos and videos are uploaded, what you can do is simply open Google Drive on your iPhone, log into the same account, and then after you're logged in, what you can do is simply click on the folder and then select all the photos and videos and press on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. And then press on download and you will be able to download everything on your iPhone device. This is how to transfer photos and videos from Android phone to iPhone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.